I want to take a second to talk about the degree requirements for the Bachelor of Science degree in the Parks, Rec, and Tourism major. First, I'm going to talk about the general education requirements. These requirements apply to all students in all emphasis areas of the Parks, Rec, and Tourism major. The first area is communication skills. You'll see first that we require English 1000. A good thing to know is that if you've taken an English composition course and transferred it in, it might not always transfer in as English 1000. Many times it'll transfer in as what's called English Composition 1. This is especially true when you took a course that was one part of a multiple class sequence. To know if you've transferred in English 1000, you can go to your transfer credit report and view that information. Another course we require is a course in verbal communication. You can fulfill this by either taking COM 1200 Public Speaking or Ag Ed 2220, which is Verbal Communication in Ag, Food, and Natural Resources. We also require a 3-credit communication elective. A communication elective is a course that provides you background in communication outside of the verbal and written communication area. If you have questions about how those courses fit in, you can ask Patrick for more information. We also require 9 credits of humanities and fine arts courses. It's good to know that this cannot include courses that were utilized to fulfill the communication skills requirement, such as COM 1200 and Ag Ed 2220, or any humanities and fine arts course that you utilize to fulfill the communication elective requirement. It's also good to know that if you've taken the elementary sequence of a foreign language, which is the first 12 to 13 credit hours, it can substitute the 9 credit hour requirement for humanities and fine arts. The Department of Parks, Rec, and Tourism also requires 9 credits of biological and physical sciences. These 9 credits also need to include at least 1 lab. It's good to know that this can include mathematical science courses when they're not utilized to fulfill the program's statistics requirement. We do also require mathematical science courses. One is either taking Math 1100 or, if you were around when Math 1120 was an option, Math 1120. This can be transferred in. It's good to know, though, that you want to make sure that you've taken college algebra and it transfers in appropriately. We also require an introductory accounting course by either taking Accounting 2010, 2026 as transfer or online, or Accounting 1, 2036. The department also requires 3 credits of statistics. You can take any statistics course to fulfill this, including Stats 1200, 1300, 1400, Stats 2500, or Introduction to Applied Statistics, which is Educational, School, and Counseling Psychology 4170. The department requires 21 credits of social and behavioral sciences. This includes an economics course, either micro or macroeconomics through the economics department, or applied macroeconomics and agricultural economics. For students that have taken the 5-credit economics course through journalism, this will also fulfill the requirement. We require 3 credits of marketing. You can either take New Products Marketing, Ag Econ 3224 to fulfill this requirement, or Marketing 3000. By Missouri state law, we also require a course in Missouri or U.S. History or Government. Several courses will fulfill this requirement: History 1100, 1200, 2210, or Political Science 1100, amongst others. You can view more information for this online. The department requires an introductory sociology or rural sociology course at the 1000 level, either social or rural social 1000. We require the introductory psychology course, Psych 1000, and the 4-credit Principles of Human Development course, HGFS 2400, which also fulfills our out-of-major writing intensive requirement. In addition to that, we require 1 additional course that will make your social and behavioral science requirement fit into 21 credits.